This safety exam question tricks 80% of test takers. Sarah would like to support her alma mater. Her AGI is $150,000 and she files MFJ. Which of these, if donated, would create the largest overall tax deduction? Well, good thing all the answers look the same. All right, time for a brain dump. This is the table I have memorized. We've got cash, short-term assets, and ordinary income property, both of which would have been taxed at ordinary income rates, and then long-term assets split into non-related use and related use. Next, I remember that short-term and non-related use are valued at the lesser of fair market value or adjusted basis, and related use long-term assets are valued at fair market value. Cash, well, it's cash. Finally, I map the valuation types to deduction limits. So cash gets the highest at 60% of AGI. Next, where you get the lesser of fair market value or adjusted basis, you get 50% of AGI, sort of like a consolation prize. Because if you were to always get full market value, well, you're probably getting way more tax-free appreciation, so you're only able to deduct up to 30% of AGI. So let's apply this to the question. Option A, we have a short-term asset, so we're going to get the lesser of the two values, or 70K. Option B, also short-term, so again, we're getting the lesser of the two, or 70,000. Option C, this is a long-term asset. We're using the stock for its intended purpose, so we're going to get fair market value, or 78,000. And finally, cash is cash, 70K. Now let's apply the limits. With an AGI of $150,000, we're looking at a 60% limit of 90, a 50% limit of 75, and a 30% limit of 45. So even though C has the largest value, it gets capped by the AGI limit, which means the answer is D, cash. Wait, what? Oh, read the question. It wants the largest overall impact, not the largest current year impact. So even though the long-term stock has a cap deduction this year, Sarah can carry over the remainder. So the answer is actually C. Did you get that right? Follow AdviceWise